Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix login failed error. A network error occurred. So if you're receiving network error with Nightingale game on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So first of all, check for any game update by verifying the game files. So go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, and then go to installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the verification is complete, now you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to check for any outage. If there is any kind of planned or unplanned outage, then you can check it on Discord. You can open this link in a browser. You can go to Discord and you can go to Nightingale official over here, and then you can check if there is any kind of outage from Nightingale. Now the next step is to run the game as an administrator. Now for this, make a right click on the game and then select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Now make a right click on the game exe file and then click on run as administrator and then check. You can even open this nwx folder, binaries win64. You can make a right click on the game exe file and then click on run as administrator. This has worked for few players, so it might work for you. You can try this. You can also make a right click over here, select properties, and then over here put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, click on OK, make a double click, launch the game and then check. If that does not help, then run Steam and the game as an administrator. So close Steam. So you can go to Steam and then click on exit. Once Steam is closed, you can type in Steam and then make a right click on Steam and then click on run as administrator. Open Steam as an administrator and then you can go to the game installation folder and then you can launch the game as an administrator. So you can make a right click, run as administrator and then check. Now the next step is to, if you're using any kind of VPN, you can turn it off or you can close VPN and then check. Next step is to allow the game exe file to antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, just make sure that you allow the game exe file to antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings and then go to privacy and security if you have Windows 11 and then click on Windows security. If you have Windows 10, you will have an option update and security, then click on Windows security, virus and threat protection. Scroll down at the end, click on manage ransomware protection and then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, go to the game installation folder. If the game installed in C drive, open C drive, program files x86, open the Steam folder, open the Steam apps folder, open the common folder, open the game folder, select the game exe file, click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open nwx folder, binaries win64, select this exe file, click on open. Now once that is done, now type in control panel in Windows search box and then open control panel, system and security, Windows Defender Firewall. Click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on change settings on the top, allow another app, browse and then go to the game installation folder and then select the game exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case, I have already added. It's already added. Again, click on allow another app, then click on browse and then open nwx binaries win64. Select this exe file, click on open. Now click on add. In my case, it is already added. Once the game is added, now you can launch the game and then check. Now still you're facing connectivity issue, then please follow the rest of the steps shown in this video.
So the first step is to restart your computer. So make sure that you simply restart your computer once and after the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right over here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. And make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Both are on over here. So if not on, turn it on and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now. Now once this is done, now go to time and language, go to region, language and region, and then make sure the right country is selected over here and then launch the game. Next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security and then click on Windows security. But if you have Windows 10, you will have an option update and security. Click on update and security, then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Now scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Now over here, control folder access would be on over here. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Now click on yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, if the game is installed in C drive, open program files x86. If you have bought the game on Steam, open the Steam folder, then open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game folder. So open the game folder, and this is just an example. Select the game exe file. Now click on open. Once the game is added over here, now launch the game. Now Game Pass user, you can skip this step. Now similarly, you can add the exe file to your firewall. So you can open control panel. So type in control panel in Windows search box, go to control panel, and then go to system and security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on change settings on the top and then click on allow another app. Now go to the game installation folder once again. Select the game folder. Select the game exe file and then click on add. Now once the game exe file is added over here, click on OK and then launch the game. Now the next step is to perform power cycle. So to perform power cycle, shut down your computer first. So first of all, shut down your computer. Now once the computer is shut down, unplug the power cable from the computer, and then after you unplug the power cable, press and hold the power button on the computer for a few seconds. This will release the static electricity from the computer. So after you unplug the power cable, press and hold the power button for a few seconds and then turn off your Wi-Fi router. Once you turn off your Wi-Fi router, now wait for a few seconds and then restart your Wi-Fi router. So wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then restart your router, and then plug in the power cable back to the computer and then restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to disable manual proxy. For this, open Windows settings, then go to network and internet. Now over here you will see proxy. So if proxy is on over here, turn it off. Next step is to run network troubleshooter. For this, open Windows settings. If you have Windows 11, click on system and then click on troubleshoot. If you have Windows 10, click on update and security, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Now find network adapter, and in Windows 10, click on it, then you will see an option run the troubleshooter. In Windows 11, click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy all the command one by one. Now type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening command prompt as an administrator. Now click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. So copy all the commands one by one, paste it, hit the enter key. Now once done, make sure that you restart the computer. So make sure that you restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to perform network reset. Now before you perform network reset, make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password, because once you perform network reset, it will be asking for your Wi-Fi password. So make sure that you have the password. So open Windows settings and then go to network and internet, and then in Windows 10 simply scroll down. At the bottom you will find reset option. In Windows 11 click on advanced network settings, and then over here you can see network reset option. Click on network reset and then click on reset now. Click on yes, and during the network reset your system will restart, and after the system restart you can connect to your Wi-Fi. You have to enter your password and then launch the game. Now next step is to switch to different networks. So if you have different network available, you can switch to different network and then check. Next step is to use Ethernet connection. So if your computer has a Ethernet port and if you have a Ethernet cable, you can use wired connection. That will give you stable performance, stable connection. Now still you're facing the problem, then update your Windows to the latest version. This is important, so make sure that your Windows is up to date. So go to update and security or Windows update and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. The last step is to verify or repair the game file. So if you have the game on Game Pass, you can go to Xbox app, make a right click on the game. This is just an example. Go to manage and then click on files and then click on verify and repair. Now if you have the game on Steam, go to Steam, make a right click on the game and then select properties, go to the local files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, launch the game.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the network error with the game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.